Okay, I know this seems like a weird topic for a Toon Talk episode, but oh my god, I had to make a video on this. Besides, it's about like visual effects and stuff, which is technically animation, so screw you, it counts. Um, so let's talk about cats. I saw the movie with a friend, and we both were like, what the frick did we just watch? It's one of the most bizarre experiences that I've ever had. And by the time the movie was over, we could not grasp on what we just saw. The CGI was hideous. The songs went on for, there were way too many songs, and they went on for way too long. And now I don't have a problem with musicals with a lot of songs, but I can grasp that fine for like a show, like a Broadway play or something like that. But in like a movie, I don't know. I don't think I'd like to see like an opera movie. But main point of the video, recently cats have been getting a little bit of relevance again, and wouldn't you guess, it's in relation to the CGI, and it's all about the cat's butts. Today we're going to be talking about the butthole cut of cats. Now, for those of you who haven't been on social media lately, you're probably wondering, what the frick am I talking about? Well, one of the visual effects artists on cats pretty much said that he had to remove some cat buttholes on the cats. And once the world figured out about this, everyone went freaking nuts. They're like, what do I feel about this? I'm just release the butthole cut Universal. Put it as like a bonus feature on the Blu-ray or something. Or show it in theaters. Like it's almost as big as release the Snyder cut. That's how much people are like, that's how much people are wanting the butthole cut to come out. Now, how do I feel about this? I'm just like, definitely go ahead and let it happen. The movie's already crazy enough. Why not have a butthole cut? But some people have been debating on whether or not the butthole cut is actually real. Apparently it's a bit of yes and no, but if the butthole cut still doesn't exist, I think that Universal should definitely go ahead and make a butthole cut. I have some reasons. Number one, people who don't know, Cats was a big old flop. Now, if they were to release this in theaters, of course they're not gonna do it right now because one, adding all the buttholes will take a while, and two, and people all over social media were like, hey, this thing looks ugly. And yeah, where the theater is packed with people just wanting to laugh at something and see something completely ridiculous and just have a good time. Obviously, they're gonna have to wait till the pandemic is over, or just release it digitally, or as a bonus feature on the Blu-ray. Now, the number three, nobody is gonna leave their house and go ahead into a Rocky Horror Picture Show scenario that we're talking about, where the theater is packed with people just wanting to laugh at something, and see something completely ridiculous and just have a good time. Obviously, they're gonna have to wait till the pandemic is over, or just release it digitally, or as a bonus feature on the Blu-ray for Cats. And it's showing a very sexualized cat version of Taylor Swift. The fact that there are highly detailed cat buttholes right there on screen, you'll just be like, oh God, did they really do that in my house? Well, technically she's my sister's, but yeah. Well, also I live with a cat, and in fact, I would like to give his opinion. Hey cat, get over here. Solomon. But you are a butthole cut. What do you guys think? Should there be do you want there to be a butthole cut of Cats? What would you do if that's actually a thing? Do you think they'll make the movie even crazier and more fun? Yes! What are your thoughts on the butthole cut of Cats? What? With the butthole cut? Hey! What's on my own? Let me know down in the comments below, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye! A new day has begun.